How to use the Fairlight audio page in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, the Fairlight page is where all your professional audio editing happens inside DaVinci Resolve, offering tools for mixing, editing, and enhancing sound. When you open Fairlight, you will see multiple tracks laid out in a timeline, just like in video editing, but here you can work with audio clips and control every aspect of sound. You can start by adjusting volume levels on each track by selecting and going to the inspector panel in the top right corner, which lets you balance your mix perfectly. Next, use the equalizer to shape your audio by boosting or cutting certain frequencies. This is essential for making voices clearer or reducing unwanted background noise. Fairlight also includes powerful effects like reverb, compression, and noise reduction that you can apply to individual tracks or the entire mix through the effects library. For detailed editing, you can cut, trim, and move audio clips directly in the timeline and even create fades or crossfades by dragging the edges of clips for smooth transitions. You can also add keyframes directly on the audio clips to adjust volume and effects at specific points, allowing precise control over how your sound changes throughout the timeline. Finally, once your mix sounds good, you can export the audio separately or as part of your video, making sure your project sounds professional and polished. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Fairlight audio page in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.